friends, good evening. How are you? I hope you are doing well. My name is Sneha Malik. Today I am going to start a new topic related to programming language. In this video you will learn about what is the meaning of computer programming and what is the basic of a programming. So first of all I will explain you what is the meaning of computer programming. So computer programming is a act of writing a computer program. What is the meaning of computer programming? It is an act of writing a computer program. Now you are thinking, what is the meaning of computer program? Computer program is a sequence of instructions written in a programming language to perform a particular task. So what is the meaning of computer program? Computer program is a sequence of instructions written in any programming language to perform a particular task. Now, in this definition, we are using two terms. First is sequence of instruction, second one is programming language. So what is the meaning of sequence of instructions? Sequence of instruction means we have to follow some particular steps to perform a particular task. Okay, so what is the sequence of instruction? Sequence of instructions to follow some steps in a sequence, or to follow some instructions in a sequence to get a correct output. Okay, now what is the programming language? The programming language may be any language like C, C++, Java, JavaScript, Python, Perl, Ruby, etc. So now I will give you an example of how the computer calculates two numbers. Like we have a simple equation, z is equal to x plus y. Here x, y and z are variable. Now how computer calculate this value of x and y? So first of all, these x and y value are stored in a memory. So every instruction is stored in a memory. The instruction may be of 2 lines, maybe of 3 lines, maybe of n number of lines. So if here we have x value is 100, y value is 50, and there may be any number of instructions in the memory. Now how the CPU calculate the value of z, that is x plus y. So first of all, CPU fetch the value of x from the memory. Okay, so what is the first step? Read the value or fetch the value of x from the memory. Read the value of x. Second, read the value of y. Then third step is add x and y. Then fourth step will be store the value in the memory. What value it will store in the memory? The sum of x and y. Store the value of sum in memory. So whatever you will get the sum of these two numbers, it will store here into the memory. So these are the 4 steps. These steps are known as a sequence of instructions. So who will perform this sequence of instructions? only CPU will perform this sequence of instructions. Now this is the basic definition of a computer programming. Now what is the basic of a programming? Now coming to the next topic, that is related to basic of programming. So just like a human language like Hindi, English and any other human languages, programming language are also made up of different elements. So there are some certain basic elements that are common for every programming languages. But there are certain basic elements that are common for every programming languages. So these elements are environment setup, syntax, data type, variables, keywords, operators, decision making, loops, numbers, characters, arrays, strings, function and input-output operation. Now I am going to discuss about one by one every element. So now I am going to start first element, that is known as an environment setup. Environment setup, it is not an element for any programming language. It is a very first step to be followed to write a program. In this we have three things. First one is text editor. Second is compiler. And third is interpreter. Now one by one I will explain you what is the meaning of text editor, what is compiler and what is interpreter. Text editor is a software in which we can write a computer program, and it is different for different types of operating system. Like for Windows we have, in Windows operating system we have Notepad as a text editor in which you can write a computer program. For Mac operating system we have TextEdit in that operating system that is used to write a computer program. And for Unix and Linux, the text editor is known as VI editor or VIM editor. Now, so what is the role of a compiler in environment setup? Compiler is basically used to convert the program file into a binary format. Why? Because a computer cannot understand the program files or a text file. So compiler is a software that is used to translate the text file into a binary format. So if we are using any programming languages like C, C++ or Java, so before writing the program, we must install the compiler in our machine. So what is the definition of compiler? It is used to translate program file or text file into binary format. Now, so this is about the compiler. Now, what is the meaning of interpreter? If we are using such languages like PHP, Python, Perl, etc., which do not need to convert into binary format, so interpreter is used to execute direct line by line these programs. So these are the three things that are important for the environment setup, that is text editor, compiler and interpreter. But if we are not able to install or we are not able to set these all text editor, compiler, interpreter in our machine, we can run and compile our program online also. So these all are about the environment setup. The next element I will discuss in my next video. So to watch more videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.